Man, what a year 2025 has been. I can't believe we truly made it this far. And honestly, going to the Bahamas for Battle for Atlantis was truly a dream come true. Where I'm from, we barely make it out the block. So to be in the Bahamas courtside watching some of the best college athletes in the world compete, that was truly special. I never thought basketball would take me this far. Interviewing some of the best players in the nation, or even swimming with dolphins. Dolphins, bro, that still doesn't even sound real to me. Bahamas really changed my life. It opened doors for me. It introduced me to amazing people and gave me opportunities I never imagined growing up. I'm beyond grateful for everyone who believed in me and made this possible. This wasn't just a trip. This was a reminder of how far I've come and how far I'm still going.